Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Intelligence Portal. This is with Covesting, of course. My name is Nathan.
And I'm Liz. Today's topic, how is cryptocurrency created?
There are many ways that cryptocurrency can be created or made. There's proof of work, also known as mining, and there's proof of stake, also known as minting. Let's start with proof of work.
Proof of work is one of the main concepts of cryptocurrencies to understand. As miners gather transactions together on the blockchain, they try and form what's called a block. They do this by essentially solving puzzles. These puzzles are very complex. They use an algorithm extremely difficult to decrypt. All miners keep trying solutions until the computer solves the puzzle. Once someone has found the correct combination, it's easier for everyone else to verify that block. They simply enter the same combination to verify that it works.
When new blocks are solved, they are linked to ones that already exist, hence why we call it a blockchain. A new puzzle, or block, is then created. As more miners join the network, it is necessary to increase the difficulty of the puzzles to keep the block calculations at around 10 minutes. This is called the network difficulty rating. In simpler terms, every miner on the network is using computerized processing power to solve a puzzle, and the first miner to crack the code is rewarded in whichever currency they are mining. All right, next up we have proof of stake.
Proof of stake. So, in proof of stake, proving ownership with tokens and investing in the network itself proves that you have vested interest in its success. The more tokens you have invested in the network, the more that you'll profit. You receive your profit through transaction fees, which are allocated based on the amount of tokens you hold.
Contrary to mining, where miners aim to have more computing power than competitors, you're proving that you hold more tokens than someone else and should be trusted in process transactions on the network.
The lack of complex cryptographic problems means less computational power is needed and electricity costs go down. Many blockchains using proof of stake prevent stakers from manipulating records by holding a certain amount of tokens they have committed to the network accountable. If one staker tries to alter the blockchain, other stakers will not come to the same conclusion, and the staker who tries to manipulate the blockchain will actually forfeit the tokens that they are staking as a penalty. That's a lot. This discourages illicit activity. Nice work, Vitalik. Okay, next up is minting.
Minting is common with ICO tokens. It is essentially a process where Ether is transferred to the ICO smart contract in exchange for tokens. This transaction triggers the tokens to be created, or minted, and sent to you. They also could have been pre-generated at the time of the ICO, in which case the unbought tokens are often burned or destroyed.
All right, everyone, we'll see you back here for the next episode at the Crypto Intelligence Portal.
Thanks for watching.